Yo, what's up, boys, and welcome back to another trade recap. Today was a good day. I ended up making around $4,000 across my accounts, 4 Apex accounts, and 1 Lucid funded. I also took some trades on the eval, but not this trade, as you can show on the screen. Coming into the New York session today, I was leaning, of course, bullish because we have this huge new week opening gap, which needs to be filled. But the thing is, there is some harsh conditions in the world right now, and you gotta be careful, man. We could just respect it, as you can see here, and then just dump because we need to fill the entire gap, but not right away. So just coming into it, we saw a huge rejection, as you can see. But what I wanted to see was these lows, these pre-market lows, get swept. We didn't take it here, so we had both this one and this one. And then when New York opened, we immediately swept these highs and then filled a little bit into the new week opening gap. And then we immediately displaced lower, meaning that, okay, we have this rejection block. I was willing to take a trade. I actually had a limit here. Because I was like, okay, we need to take these lows if we're gonna go higher. So I had a limit, but once we took these lows, I canceled it. And then when I saw this rejection of taking these lows and the displacement, and we created this rejection block, I was like, okay, we're gonna go higher. So I took 3 micros on the beginning of this candle. Sometimes I do the 50%, but I was like, okay, we're probably gonna displace a lot today. To fill this gap, but I could have taken the 50%. It took some time, like a couple of minutes, and then we saw displacement. I was like, okay, I went break even here into this 1 minute value gap, break even, because it was a pretty big gap. And then we just inverted that, so that was nice. I was like, okay, we're gonna get it here. And then we reversed. I didn't trade anything, I didn't move my stop loss. And then it took about like 5 minutes, and then it hit full TP. So pretty good trade. 6.48 R, which is pretty good, which is what I go for. I go for like at least 4 to 6, sometimes higher. But I had a pretty big stop loss with 21 points. I usually take 15 points. But I de-risk. I usually do 5 micros, but today I took 3, so I could held this to the top. So yeah, 800 across 4 accounts, and then 1 on Lucid. So pretty good today. Of course, I couldn't have held this, but I took my piece of the cake and got out. So leave a comment if you took the same trade or if you took anything else, and let me know how the day went for you. So, and if you want to see more trade recaps, like and subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.